I welcome you all. Today's topic is 4.2 Algebraic Formula. Page number 83, Mathematics 9. Now we are going to discuss some formulas to solve the algebraic expressions. Okay. First one is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2 into a square plus b square. And the second is a plus b whole square minus ab whole square equals to 4ab. Now these are the formulas. The process of finding the values of a square plus b square and ab is explained in the following examples. Example number 1. If a plus b equals to 7, okay, a plus b equals to 7 is given. A minus b equals to 3 is also given. Then find the value of a plus a square plus b square, okay, and a plus b. These are the two terms which you are going to find. Okay. By using the above formulas, these two formulas, we have this equation. To find the value of this, we use this formula because there is a square plus b square. Okay, we use this formula as a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to this. A plus b is given, a minus b is given, 2 is constant and this is the unknown. Just put the values in the formula. Okay, a plus b is 7 plus a minus b is 3 equals to 2 into this. 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9, 2 a plus b. Now 49 plus 9 is 58, 2 a square plus b square. After some simplifications you will get, just divide 2 on the left side, this becomes 29. So a plus a square plus b square equals to 29. Now to find the value of ab, use the second formula, which is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to 4ab. Okay, this term which you are going to find, this is also given, this is also given. Just put the values, take squares. 49 minus 9, 44, 4 divide on the left side, this becomes 10. So that ab equals to 10 and a square plus b square equals to 29. Okay, next formula is a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This formula, square of a trinomials. Okay, why trinomials? Because it involves 3 terms, a, b and c. 3 terms involve 3 expressions. Okay, this involves 3 expressions, that's why it is a trinomial. 3 impressions, mainly a plus b plus c. This one, first impression is this, second impression is this, and third expression is this. If the values of 2 of them are known, you can easily find the third one. Okay, if there are 3 expressions and 2 expressions are known, then you can easily find the third expression. Just substitute the values, then you will get the third one. Okay, let's do this with the help of example. If this expression is given and this is given, you are going to find this. How? Just write the formula as, now this is the unknown which you are going to find. The value of this is 43 and take 2 common and the value of all this expression is 3. Just add 43 plus 6, you will get 49. Just take a square root to find the value of this, you will get plus minus 7. Clear? Similarly, if this term is given, you can find the value of this. How? This is the formula. Okay, a plus b plus c, this is 6. What is this? 24. And this is unknown, just take 2 as a common. A plus b plus bc plus ca. Now 2 is unknown, just 2 is a constant, this is unknown. Just put 6 square is 36. 24 plus 2, 36 minus 24 is 12. Divide 2 on the left hand side, you will get 6. So the value for this is 6. Okay, how to find this one? If these two given, again write the formula which involves trinomial. Okay, this is given 7. This is unknown, which we are going to find. This is also given if you take 2 as a common, AB plus BC plus CA. This is given, which is 9. 49, 18. 49 minus 18, just shift 18 to the left. This becomes 31. Now there are some formulas to find the cube. These two, a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube. This is b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. How to find the values if cube are given? For example, if 2x minus 3y equals to 10 and xy equals to 2, then find the value of this. There are some cubes, okay? From the question, from the given question, you will identify which formula is going to be used, okay? So read the question carefully, understand the question carefully, because your formula is based on your question. How to select the correct formula to apply the expression, that is based on your question. So your choice depends on your question. So from this cube we will identify the cube root of formula is used. Now what is the question is that is we use positive one or negative one. So there is a negative sign in between 8x cube and 27y cube. So you are going to use the negative one, okay? Okay, how to solve this type of question? 2x minus 3 equals to 10. This is given, this is given. Use these two terms. We have given 2x minus 3y equals to 10. This one. Just take cube on both sides. Okay? Just take cube on both sides and open the formula. This becomes a cube, b cube. Okay? A cube, b cube. Minus because of cube. Minus 3ab into a minus b equals to 10 cube is 1000. Now this is the value which is unknown in the question which you are going to find out. Take this on the left and shift all the other values to the right hand side. Okay, xy is given in your question. This is xy which is given in your question. If you notice, xy is 2. Okay, just put 2 and simplify this, you will get this. Clear? What about example 2? If x plus 1 over x is 8, then find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. Okay, this one is given. Just take cube on both sides. You will get a cube, b cube, 3ab into a plus b. This x cancel with this. This becomes this. This is the value which we are going to solve, and this is the value, sorry. This is the value which we are going to solve, and this is given 8. Just put this equals to 8. This is 3. This is unknown. 3 multiply 8 is 24. Just shift 24 to the right hand side. You will get 488. Example 3. If x minus 1 over x, this is given, you will have to find this. How? Just to cube. There is a cube. So take cube root on both sides. When you are going to take cube, a cube, b cube minus 3ab. This is like this, 3ab. This is cancelled, that's why there is 3, and a minus b equals to 64. 4 cube is 64. This is the value which is unknown. Okay, this is the value which is unknown for us. We are going to find this. So this is equals to 4, which is given. 4 multiply 3, 12 minus 12, shift minus 12 to the right. 64 plus 12, you will get 76. Okay, next, a cube plus minus b cube. Okay, these are two formulas. how to the procedure for finding the products of x plus minus 1 by x and x square plus 1 over x square plus minus 1 is also explained in the following examples. These two formulas can be written as these are. Do not confuse with plus minus sign. A plus b cube equals to a plus b a square. If there is a plus sign, there is a minus sign, minus ab plus b square. And if there is a cube minus b cube, so you are going to write a minus b a square. There is a minus, you will use a plus ab plus b square. These are the two formulas. In the same way, these, how to factorize this? Do not confuse with these two formulas and the previous one. Previous one is the whole cube. Okay, see, these are the whole cube. This is a plus b whole square, and which we are going to discuss now in the next further example. This is a, those are a cube plus b cube. There is a big difference between these two. Okay, do not confuse mix them. Okay, how to factorize this? Just use a formula. 64. Which number is the cube of 64? 4. You can write 64 as and 343 as. Now this is the a cube plus b cube. You can write a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. Just simplify it, you will get the answer. Similar way, which number is the cube of 125? 5. We can write it as, and we can write it as, just open the formula, a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, just open the formula, just apply them. Find the product of. How to find the product of these? Okay, 4 by 9, you can write 4 as 2 square and 9 as 3 square. Okay, this is the right hand side of your formula. Okay, always the left is given and you are going to solve the right. In this example, the right side is given and you are going to solve the left hand side. Okay, 2 by 3 x whole square, this is the term, minus 1. We can write 2 by 3 x, 3 by 2 x, which is also minus 1, and 3 by 2 x whole square. This is the left hand side of the formula, cube formula. This is, focus on this. This is a plus b. There is a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Now the which is a cube plus b cube. So we can write it as a cube plus b cube. Similar example number 4. In the same way, the right hand side is given. We can write 16 as 4 by 25. We can write 16 as 4 and 25 by 5x whole square. This is 4 by 5x. And what is this? 5 by 4x whole square. This is 5 by 4x. Now this is again a cube minus b cube, negative 1. Find the combined product of this. How to find the product of this? This is x plus y, x minus y, x square plus xy. Okay. You are going to make pairs. X plus y into this. This is a formula of x cube plus y cube, and this is the formula of x cube minus y cube. Okay, and these are a cube plus b cube into a cube minus b cube. Okay, we always read this a plus b, a minus b equals to a plus a square plus b square. Similar way, if there are cube are there, okay, then you will also get the squares. So x cube square minus y cube square. This is x6 y6. Just make the pairs of these two and these two. You will get the answer. So that is the some formulas which you must remember them all, learn them all, memorize them all. If you are able to memorize them, then you will find any question related to this. Okay, I am going to revise all the formulas, listen them carefully and try to absorb them, try to remember them, because whenever you are going to learn it, then you are able to apply. Okay, I'm just going to write them, those formulas which we will discuss. First one, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2a square plus b square. Okay, the second one is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to 4ab. Just make notes for your formulas at the start of your notebook or at the end of your notebook. Just make one page for your formulas and try to memorize them. Okay, third one, a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Fourth one, cube. Fourth one are the cubes. Just make notes like this, okay, and try to remember this at the start of your notebook. A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus 3ab a plus b plus b cube. Fifth, a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3ab a plus b minus b cube. Sixth, last one, a cube b cube a plus minus b a square ab plus b square. That means if a cube minus b cube, then you are going to use a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. And if a cube plus b cube, then a equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, just memorize these formulas. These are 6. If you are able to memorize them, then you can solve exercise 4.2 easily. In our next class, we are going to discuss exercise 4.2. Thank you.